Hello everyone, so today we're going to share with you on how to grow radishes at home in pots in ground or if you have a small space garden. So whether you are a beginner or expert in gardening, radishes is a well-known vegetables. It's also really like a root vegetables for its very easy to grow and how quick germination time that you can incorporate in your garden along with your other vegetable plants that are slow crops as well. Radishes are very easy to grow and can germinate within just few days to 1 week, depends on the season of the year or the climate where you live right now. So you can sow them directly from the seeds and thin them later. They thrive also in moist and well-drained soil. So for example, if you have sandy soil, experience of use compost to mix with it and really have a fertile soil, it really give you a productive harvest. So you can plant them from spring, summer, fall, and have also winter harvest if you like. So depends what zone you are. Definitely they can grow during winter provided that you mulch them or protect the roots. So radishes have pepper taste roots and you can prepare them in salad, stems or stir fries or even stews. So you can plant them every 2 to 3 weeks for successional sowing and continuous harvest. And you can also grow them in pots as they don't take up a lot of space. So these vegetables are really perfect to squeeze in if you have some extra space or you want to fill some gaps around your garden. This is really a very amazing vegetables because it's very beginner friendly and very easy to grow. And also this is perfect really vegetables to try if you have not planted any vegetables in your life or if you have a small backyard garden or space. A radish loves water, as for most of it, the water is stored in the roots, so you may want to water them to keep the soil moist and hydrated. And there are so many different kinds of radishes to choose from, like red radish, French breakfast, icicles, daikon, and many more. So far, I have not faced any pests during this winter season with my radishes. Some of my little insect called beetle that will sometimes eat your radish leaves, and if you waited too long to harvest the roots, they may break or be susceptible to root rot, and you can harvest them while the roots are still crunchy and young for a tender cooking. Now, sometimes I may visit a garden and there are some nibbles of, I don't know, maybe like rabbits or baby deers that may graze around the garden. You will notice that they will leave some markings there on your garden. So you can leave the roots and have just cut some of the leaves, but the roots will soon sprout in no time, and sometimes they will be woody if you let it stay there longer on the ground. So it's up to you if you like to wait for a mature roots and have that more um, leaves harvest. So radishes are a great plant to grow with Swiss chards, peas, some carrots, lettuce, and spinach. And if, for example, you want to incorporate some beets, you may want to space a little bit of farther to not be overcrowded and have a lot of competition. But so far, onions along with radishes, I find it very beneficial and great companion together. So there are times that when you plant the radish that is too shallow, they tend to break or kind of like looking like if it's overcrowded. You can definitely add some soil around to protect its stems and roots. So rabbits like radishes, we have some plants that were eaten by rabbits, and you can place some protective fence around your garden if you like. And so for this time, my garden have no fence yet, so what I did, I planted some onions, but I highly recommend protective layer, as well as like planting garlic around to deter. So there you go, guys, those are the tips, my gardening tips on how to grow radishes. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more vegetables or want to learn more how to plant vegetables to grow in your garden, please check some playlists there that's for you, and you may want to check it out. And thank you for watching, and happy gardening.